Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear brother and sister. So today's topic is very important. So today's topic, mistake I never make again. Okay. So first time I will share my uh, journey. Okay. So let's get started. Whenever uh, I start my English learning journey, so first time everything uh, mistake, everyday mistake I make. Okay, but right now I never mistake something. Okay, but all everything mm, never mistake, but something mistake because I am a new learner, so that's why uh, mistake will be okay. So but first time and 1 month ago uh, I I made long sentence, but right now uh, only just short sentence and daily uses word making. And 1 month ago uh, I made long video make, but right now uh, day by day increase duration. Okay, uh, like first time 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, and day by day increase my video duration. Okay, and 1 month ago a big mistake uh, had I compare with another person, me, but right now always compare, only just yesterday. Okay, so first month three mistakes uh, had, but right now this month never mistake. Okay, so if you are a beginner learner, you must be this mistake. Okay, so if you're a beginner learner, I suggest you these tricks follow, so you'll improve daily. Okay, so uh, I hope you learned something this video. So thank you so much watching this video, and next video see you soon. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.